Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong first half ng November 1 to 15, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services ngayong November 2024. Ayan, so lahat ng information, yung link kung paano mag-book for a private reading, nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So, let's see, Leo. What's coming to you? Energy update sa mga Leo. First half ng November. Okay. Leo, what's going on? Okay, bottom of the deck, Apprentice of Pentacles. Meron kayo ngayong interest na i-explore, alamin. Gusto nyong pag-aralan. Kasi itong Apprentice of Pentacles is an energy of a student na gustong matuto, gustong mag-explore ng kanyang knowledge. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magsa-start kayo ng business. Okay? Pwedeng ang business na to related sa sa seafood. Oo, kasi meron ditong crab. Be aware lang, no, Leo, sa mga tao na pagsasabihan mo ng mga plano mo. Let's say, nag-aaral ka for a skill kasi gusto mong gawing business, wag mo munang ikwento sa iba. Okay? Kasi I feel like there is someone na jealous of you na pwedeng, alam mo na, ma-evil eye or ma-jinx. Oo. Kasi may mga ganyan halimbawa nagpaplano ka na mag-aral ng baking kasi magtatayo ka ng bakery or ng coffee shop, ganyan. Nakwento mo sa kaibigan mo. So, ang mangyayari, mauuna pa yung kaibigan mo na makapag-set up ng business bago ikaw kasi nainggit na siya. Ayaw niya maungusan. Oo. You have the Six of Pentacles, so money is going to be good, no? Maganda yung flow ng finances ninyo. You are also a go-getter, no? So, maaring kapag meron kang idea, tapos you feel good about it, na inspired ka doon, gagawin mo na lang siya. I also see na meron din mga tao rin na very supportive sa ginagawa mo, sa career path mo, sa mga plans mo. Gusto mo talagang mag-start ng bago. So, yung iba sa inyo, bagong trabaho, bagong career, something new in your career or business. Meron ditong growth. And there's also wish fulfillment. Okay? So, maaring, I don't know, if you are looking for a romantic partner, pwedeng makilala mo to sa isang gathering or event or sa workplace na parang ma-attract ka sa kanya kasi magaling siyang magsalita. Oo, matalino ang taong ito. So, your overall energy is the Hanged One. Some of you may pag-reassess ng situation ninyo. Sometimes you feel you're stuck. Na parang nasa yung crossroads na tinitingnan mo kung ikaw ba ay didiretso pa, kakaliwa ka na, kakanan, mag-iiba ka na ba ng direksyon. Okay? So, you are now reassessing your situation on which path to take. But eventually, no, makikita mo rin naman kung alin dyan yung para sa'yo. Yung iba kasi, pwedeng may mga taong nakapaligid rin sa inyo na ang daming sinasabi, ang dami nilang opinion. Kapag ganon, just take it with a grain of salt, no? Na opinion niya yon, nasa sayo kung titake mo yung opinion niya or yung advice niya. Pero wag ka lang mag-rely doon kasi you have your own instinct, you have your own intuition, you have your own decision. Meron ditong misunderstanding. So that can be a challenge for you. A misunderstanding with someone. Itong person na to ay pwedeng malapit sa'yo, tapos yung parang siguro matagal na kayong walang nagiging problema, and then biglang nagkaroon ng issue, ng problema, ng misunderstanding. So that might really affect yung dynamics ng relationship ninyo. So dito mo makikita kung itong tao ba na to talaga ay para sa'yo, or parang are you really meant for each other, or talagang makakabuti sa'yo na nasa buhay mo siya. This can be a romantic connection or a friendship, okay? But I feel like dito ka nakakaranas ng parang pag-iisip kung ito bang situation mo na to will be beneficial sa'yo o hindi moving forward. Okay? So with the Hermit here, ang daming pag-iisip sa inyo, Leo. Oo. This is reassessing rin your situation. Some of you are feeling alone. Some of you are feeling na parang somehow, no? Yung iba feeling lost, na you don't know where to go. The Hermit is an energy of someone na going within, no? Parang hinahanap mo, yung iba kasi hinahanap natin yung fulfillment sa ibang tao. So this is an opportunity for you to find that fulfillment within you. Kasi ikaw yung magpupuno niyan. Okay? So yan yung opportunity for you. Malalaman mo what will fill your heart or your cup. Okay, you have the 9 of Wands as your blessing. Alam nyo, Leo, ano man tong mabigat na challenge for you or yung pinagdadaanan ng iba sa inyo, the blessing is, kaya nyo tong malagpasan. Okay? Dadaan lang yan sa buhay nyo, kaya nga pinagdadaanan, 'di ba? And you will be a better version of yourself or a better person after this. Malakas ka eh. Oo. So yun yung blessing mo, yung lakas. You have that strength that you need. So sa money, career, finances, you have the 2 of Cups. So this is partnership. So pwedeng you are going to partner with someone na pareho kayo ng interest, pareho kayo ng goal, ng mission pagdating sa business. Yung iba naman, it's like a commitment, no? Commitment to yourself that you will focus on loving your work, loving your career, loving kung ano yung source of income mo. It's more on appreciating what you have, okay? And then for your relationship, you have the Oracle of Swords. So some of you are cutting off connections sa mga taong sa tingin mo are no longer serving your highest good, or parang nakikita mo kasi na hindi sila totoo sa'yo, so you are avoiding them. Maaring iba sa inyo unti-unti umiiwas na sa taong ito that you feel na you don't resonate with this person anymore. Parang hindi na kayo pareho ng mga goals or interests, 'di ba? Yes, so clarify. Ngayon, things are going to be clear for you kung ikaw ay may mga decisions na gagawin this first half of November. So you will be able to decide what's best for you. Makakapag-decide ka what's best for you. And also, you will focus on your yung kalusugan mo. Number 1 yan na bibigyan mo ng attention. Yung strength, yung health mo. Okay? Wow, you have the 9th house, which is exploration. Travel opportunities ngayong November. Yung iba sa inyo, learning opportunities. Okay? So this is growth. I see you growing. You are growing your knowledge, mas mature. Okay? Itong mga challenges na pinagdaanan mo or pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, this will leave you as someone na matured, who has marami nang natutunan. You have tension, strain. Uy, 'di ba? New beginnings. Ayan. I feel like itong tension na to or anxiety na to, ito yung parang ina-anticipate mo kasi kung ano yung mangyayari sa future eh. So, just let it go. Kumbaga, go with the flow. Dun ka lang sa kaya mong kontrolin, and anything that is beyond your control, you surrender. Kasi tinan mo, may achievement sa'yo, merong recognition sa'yo, merong success, merong victory. And meron ding bagong magsisimula. New beginnings, a fresh start, or rapid growth. O, 'di ba? Ganda. So, time to celebrate, Leo. What else? You have, trust all will be well. Yes, magtiwala ka lang. Magiging maayos rin ang lahat. Believe in the impossible. Oh my God. Meron ditong once in a lifetime na matutupad for you. Speak your world into being. I see you na mas magiging authentic. Okay? Authentic, true to yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.